channel. We're in the kitchen today, okay? I saw this TikTok recipe and I'm about to try it. Well, I made it last night, but we already ate all of it because I was just testing it out. But being that it turned out good, I'm about to make it with you guys. I already have the rice going, so pretty much it's gonna be chicken, broccoli, and rice made with this sauce. Super easy meal. I'm trying to get into my cooking bag, so let's get into it. See, I struggle with making rice, period. Like, I've always struggled with making rice. That's why if I was gonna do a carb, I would do like a pasta instead. But I got this rice cooker off the TikTok shop and I've used it 2 times now and literally perfect rice every single time. I don't know why I was waiting so long for a rice cooker, but I finally got one and I'm so glad I did. I'm about to be making so many more meals with the rice. Like, I'm so excited. Yeah, your girl used to struggle with making rice. I meant to tell y'all that I did get a Fashion Nova package and I'm going out of town, so I want to do a little try on with y'all. So let's just do that.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but baby, bitch on my line, I can feel what you spinning. Not too much pride to let no burning, cause sign me out, pull up, go right about mine. I got time, let's discuss all those lies about fighting out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole wearing it down. I'm going on like a sort of. You tell these hoes you ain't cuddling.
Hey friend. So I decided that I was going to make another meal tonight and I wanted to show y'all what I make. I also found this recipe on TikTok, like the last one I found, which by the way, that one was so good. I would make that again. It was so good. But tonight, I am making something that I was going to make last night, but I was just so tired and I'm gonna make it tonight. And I'm also gonna make some juice. I got me a juicer and I'm so excited to make my own. So I'm going to get everything together and we're gonna make this meal.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came in. Just want to stand. Don't you know fuck around the ground. Love this way.
didn't show this because I was filming for TikTok, but I didn't have a cast iron pan, so I had to do with what I have. Okay, this is what it looks like. It smells really good. Let's just taste it. OMG, this is so good. I told y'all that I was gonna juice, but I am gonna go shower and stuff first, then I'm gonna come back and juice. Okay? I gotta charge my camera. Hey friend! Okay, so I didn't make the juice last night. I ended up just taking a bath. My back is still killing me. Like, I took a Epsom salt bath. I soaked in for like an hour and watched Love and Basketball. Just had like a whole like self-care evening, and I didn't have any energy to make any juice. But I just made some, and it's so good. It is so good. I don't have any of those containers yet, but I need to grab some of those off Amazon. I'll do that because I'm so excited I got my juicer, because I will be making my own juice, doing like a little cleanse, like all of that, okay? I did make a video on how I made the juice. I put that on TikTok. I will link it in the description box so you can go check it out. This morning so far, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock, what the heck? This afternoon has been going well so far. This morning I actually went and got treatment. I went to my gym, and luckily, like, I'm so grateful for the facility that they have trainers there who do like cupping, dry needling, like all that type of stuff. So I got some stem and I got some dry needling done on my back, and I did a cold plunge today. Like, I'm literally trying to get better. It's been almost 2 weeks since I haven't been to the gym because of my back. So I'm just trying to be patient, not trying to rush back. But it is like frustrating, and honestly the gym is like my outlet, and not being able to go there and like lift weights is really bothering me. But everything happens for a reason, and I'll be back in the gym in no time. In no time, okay? So keep your head on a swivel. All those outfits that I tried off in Fashion Nova, I feel like 97% of them weren't giving. Like, y'all saw, like, come on, weren't giving at all. I did get another package today, so hopefully the stuff that I got today works out for me, because my flight is tomorrow morning, and you know your girl is known for packing the night before. So I'm actually about to try on the other stuff, get my outfits together, pack it up, then do some homework, and then what else do I have to do? That's pretty much it for the day. I guess I will see you guys in a little bit when I am trying on my clothes, and hopefully those work out. Like, I'm actually going to be like putting the outfits together, like the shoes, the bags, and I'm gonna be like styling myself in my mirror, and I'm about to show you all the vibes. So yeah, BRB. Okay, y'all, ignore the mess, but what do we think about this fit? Don't sleep on Urban Outfitters, okay? Urban. They forgot my glasses in my package, but let me try these ones on. Maybe, probably not. I don't know. What do you guys think? Also, I am so sad I didn't secure any of the Desi and Monet shade collection. So Monet, if you're watching this, when is the relaunch, sis? This is the next look. What do you guys think about this denim and leather pant look with the cutest little denim bag. Thoughts? Okay, hear me out. This fit I'm about to show you, the pants are kind of crazy. Okay, pants are crazy. Pants are wild, but they're cute. Just check it out for yourself. Kind of looks like the other outfit. Well, not looks, but the other outfit has the leather brown with the other denim jacket. Actually, it's right here. Same shoes, but just only because, you guys, it's gonna be 30 degrees and I still want to be cute. So is this look a look? Every time. Junie. I tried everything on and now I literally have like 2 hours to pack it all up because I have something to do at 8, well, at 9. So I'm gonna pack everything up as fast as I can. Y'all, I'm so glad I got these braids. My girl came back from Vegas and she did my hair again. Yes, I need to pack up, shower, get everything together. Like I said, I'm so glad that I have braids because my hair being down, I probably would have had to wash it today and that would have just been very chaotic for me because I'm leaving tomorrow and it was just, I don't have time. But I'm gonna pack everything up. I guess I'm gonna close out this vlog. This juice is too good. Too good. But thank y'all for spending time with your girl this week. We made some food together. We made some juice. What else did we do? So mainly this vlog was me trying out some food because I want to get into my cooking bag more. I want to post more videos of me cooking, making meals, and things of that nature. So if y'all come across a meal like on TikTok or somewhere, please send it to me so that I can try it, whether it's a dessert, food, whatever. I want to try it. And also, drop your favorite juice recipes, please. I'm so excited to make more of these juices. What else did we go over? That was it. I'm getting ready for my trip and I'm gonna close out this vlog, and the next vlog you will see me on the trip. I might vlog, I might not. I don't know yet. Hopefully I will. But also, my time is coming to an end as far as like watch hours. Like it's looking like I only have 2 more days left. Like I think it's March 24th is my deadline. And as of right now, I'm so close, but I don't think that I have enough time to hit my goal. I'm not counting myself out though. Like I'm still pushing my content, like my videos and things like that. So if you're watching this and if you got this far, thank you for even staying this long. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next vlog.